The most commonly used elements in templates are buttons and dropdowns. Buttons are a great way to have multiple choices ready to be selected within your template. They are designed for short, multiple options. For larger options, consider using a dropdown or a grid. Once you've inserted a button, you can start typing within it to add its options. To add an option, simply press Enter. Alternatively, right-click the button and choose to add an option to the left or the right. You can also give your button a label. Simply click in the top right corner of it. Options can be pre-selected if needed. Any pre-selected options will automatically be displayed in your clinical note. Buttons can additionally have a drop-down attached to it. This is a good way to have less frequently used options still present, but hidden away to keep your template less cluttered. Button drop-down options cannot be pre-selected. When using buttons, simply click on the option you want. This will turn the text purple. You can then click on this purple text again to view the options if you want to make another change. To select multiple options, hold the Control key or Command for Max and make your choices. You can right-click a button's option to negatively select it. There are two types of dropdowns you can use. Standard dropdowns, which allow you to only have one option selected, or a multi-select dropdown to allow multiple options to be chosen. Add your dropdown to the template and then add your options as needed. To add an option, simply press Enter or press the Add Choice button. The first option of a standard dropdown will always automatically be pre-selected. You can have options pre-selected for both dropdown types, but only one option can be pre-selected for standard dropdowns. Options can also be reordered by dragging them. You can also navigate between options with your arrow keys. Labels can also be added to dropdowns to give them more context. When using a dropdown, simply select the options you require. If there's an option not present, you can simply write it within the text area itself. Only options in a multi-select dropdown can be negatively selected.